Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Right guys, let's just transform together from this to something a little bit more fabulous. Today I'm going to do one of my favorite braids with a hack. Now, you know when you have those center braids going all the way down, I've got a way to show you how to get it nice and neat. Okay, first things first, let's part the hair in 3 sections. And they don't need to be straight, by the way. Well, you can if you want to make them straighter, but I'm not going for that, you know, neat look. Right, I'm gonna start with the back section first. And spray some water on, not a lot. I'm gonna moisturize with the Taliah Waajid curly curl cream. And use the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink flaxseed gel, just to smoothen things down. And I'm just gonna place the hair into the pony. Our first section is finished, so we're gonna do the same for this one and this one. Just some oil on my scalp. In this section, I'm gonna brush in. Got 3 sections. And now we're just gonna do it of cane roll all the way down, cane roll, cone roll. I'm just gonna add some oil to my ends. And just quickly make sure it's detangled. And now we're gonna braid. Now I'm just going to touch up around the perimeter with all the flyaways that's hanging about. The next thing I'm going to do, guys, to make the braid look a little bit fuller is to gently pull on the cane roll. So I'll just do this gently just to get it a bit fuller. So you get that nice full look. And now to finish transform, I'm going to put my earrings on. I'm going to wear these ones today. I don't go anywhere without my earrings, guys. That's like, you know, some girls don't go anywhere without their makeup. For me, earrings are like my makeup. Who else is like that? Let me know in the comments below. And just gonna put on some, I think this is a lip balm / lipstick. It's not that bright, but it's just enough color for me. And add that on. And some lip gloss by Rimmel. This is the Dreamy Rosewood. It's really, you know, just a normal thing. Some mascara for the lashes. ignore this bit, Mario. I just saw some flyaways. And my powder, which I just use like just around the under my eyes, especially just to brighten it up a little bit. And I still use these things, whatever they're called. As you can see, I'm not really into makeup like that. And this is a sleep powder. It's the Luminous Pressed Powder in number 3, which I think is the darkest one. Yeah. That's it, guys. All done. I mean, you can add like hair accessories to this bit, but I'm just gonna leave it plain Jane. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching.